So I made a mistake. And I'm not afraid to admit and own up to it, because if you're not making mistakes, you're not learning. So if you hadn't seen in the last video, we got the 253 in it. And it looks really nice sitting in here. Except we've got one problem, and it's going to involve taking it back out. You see, my issue is, I've got the transmission in there, but I didn't exactly put it in the way I should have. So if you had have asked me before I posted the video when I put this in there, I would have thought I'd done it perfectly fine. But turns out I didn't. Now, I want to say massive thank you to everyone that commented and told me what I had done wrong. I've put too much grease on the input shaft, and because of that, the grease would spin out and go into the clutch and eventually ruin my clutch. I'm either taking the engine out now, while I haven't had it running, to spin the grease everywhere and save me from buying a new clutch, or I was going to find out the hard way and start the car and need a brand new clutch pretty much as soon as it started. And a second reason on why I am so thankful for all the guys in the comments that let me know is I've made a second mistake, and I'm once again not ashamed to admit to it. So for everyone out there, these are upper and lower control arms. Now, I torqued these up to spec before I even put the engine in, and I should have probably processed this before I put the engine in. But of course, when you tighten something up and then you put weight on it, it's going to twist. So that is the second mistake that I've made, and I need to loosen these back off, let it get to height, and then tighten them up so that the bushes last a lot longer. Thanks guys once again. Right now, I need to take everything apart that I did in the last video to correct my mistakes. And I think this is one reason why restoring a car takes so long, when you have absolutely no idea what you are doing. Now, to be fair, I probably should have looked more into this and done a bit more research before I went and did it all. But at the end of the day, you live and you learn. And if you're not failing, you're not learning. I'd rather find out about them now before I go and destroy everything and have to do it later on down the track. Right now I can save money by resolving these issues and doing them right. Now you can tell I didn't really feel like taking another engine out anytime soon, because we packed it right away. The old welder hasn't seen much welding in a while. Missed on welding. But I also like seeing my car nice and painted and not rusty. I got a little bit distracted and started losing light, so I called up my good mate Plugger so he could help me with some unpaid labour to get the engine out. So thanks mate for that. I do really appreciate your help. So I've just gotten in from the rain, and we're not working with too much space, but we've just dropped the engine and transmission onto some tyres. Now, I called Will up. I'm like, what are you doing tonight? And I've roped him into helping me dismantle the transmission so we can get this grease off. What cars are you normally working on?
I am strictly four-wheel drives.
Yeah.
I am a Nissan man through and through. Patrols only. So
this is a little bit different for him, and it's probably a lot cleaner.
Oh, I'm used to dealing with about 100 mil worth of mud.
So it slots out nicely. Sweet. Good stuff. Alright, let's see how much grease we got in there.
All of it.
Oh, yep. Well, that was the one issue that I had.
Oh.
Yeah, that's way too much. Alright. So let's get all that off there. So obviously we were looking at that and how much grease is on it, but then I turned around and Will spotted all of the grease that's in the clutch. Oh no, lucky it didn't get in to anything. Thanks guys for letting me know before I started the car, because it would have been pretty bad. And you don't want this to happen when it's just finished and you're ready to go take it for its first drive. Look at you go, muscles. We've assessed the situation, and we are now going to have to take off the clutch because it could be like very far in there, and that's obviously somewhere where you don't want grease. We were ready to start cleaning it all off, and it's just one issue.
About 1/12 of a can of brake clean left. Not even.
So that's going to call it a night, I think. We're just going to leave it here. I'm glad we got the engine out, so that's first thing ticked off. Will's brother's a mechanic, and we FaceTimed him, and he He screenshotted
Yeah.
photos.
He had a pretty good giggle.
Yeah. As soon as we showed him a thing on FaceTime, he just went, "That's way too much." So I can imagine what everyone else at home that knows what they were looking at was thinking. After a couple of days later, Plugger came back around and these were his wise words.
She's f***ing greaseless.
So we finished year 12 today. We're all done at school. Now that means more time to work on the car. So we got all the boys around after a last day of year 12.
Oh, chill, mate, chill. Face it down
It's not going to kill you.
Have a look at how much grease we've pulled off this thing.
Oh,
And there's still more inside the clutch.
Anyway, we're all learning. Don't do this.
yeah.
And I'll just sit back and eat my food. Just let them do it.
Paid labour, eh?
I'm gonna raid your pants.
We've got some cotton tip buds to clean out the input shaft. Will, great suggestion. He's an ideas man.
My genius is almost frightened.
And a whole lot of brake clean. So I can't find where my tub of grease is because most of it was used on the input shaft anyway. But we'll just grab a little bit out of here. We've got a 6-man job. We've got about 4 spectators.
Hey, get your torchman now. Your torchman.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, slipper on.
Now we have...
So that goes on.
Oh, we've done it back to front.
I'll blame Will.
Yeah, I blame you.
Take two.
Oh, bang!
There we go.
Wait, we're back in
Come
action! Now we've got to do it on the clutch, so let's dismantle this clutch. Hey, yo. Cheers. Location pin. Just like that.
You know what? Fucking catch. What a catch.
It was a great
It was the...
Did we get that on video? Clutch plate out. Alright, I think we're nice and clean there. You're lying.
Jack's
you're lying.
Jack just having a stroke.
Did you just see that? Do you want to make sure that's pushed in though, Snow?
Just rotate it left. Yep. Yeah, there you go.
We got that's wall. Yep. So when it goes click, then it's suspect.
What's that?
What is it? Monaro?
Yes.
VF. GDS. Oh no! Look at what he's done to the washer.
Hey,
This is why I don't put.
That's so bad.
Now I need a new washer. Cleaned up. Let's get the engine back in the car for a second time. Whoa! What's the engine?
Whoa, watch it, watch
There's a bit much going on.
Make it up more.
Oh.
What's the car? What's the car? What's the car?
I know.
Oh, this is a mess, lads.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Me and Snow just chilling.
Alright. Now let's come down. Alright. Now lift the front up a bit higher. Hang on.
Oh, you rotate it big time. Ready? Go one big time. No.
I feel like we're really close.
No.
It is really close.
You reckon? That was the best feeling ever. What
2 hours later,
we did it.
we got it back on.
So the main issue was the fact. Get your hand out of here. Oh, you just lost all the bolts. So what we were doing wrong was the clutch plate wasn't exactly centered, and I was using this. But when I first tightened it up, I pulled it out before and then tightened them all up. Donut. Anyway, this time we did it again, but it still didn't work. Yeah, there's plenty of washers in your pocket. So anyway, we eventually got it in and slotted it in. So I wish we got it on film, but we were all pretty stoked because we spent so much time. All right, now I'm putting it down. You still got it up, sorry? Yeah. Watch your fingers. Yeah. Okay. Now we have gotten the.
Huh?
What's that? What's that called?
What, the engine?
Yeah. It's finally that time where we got the engine in and we're so hungry we haven't eaten.
It's
9:30, I haven't had dinner.
I know. Alright, we stuffed around. I reckon we wasted we probably spent 2 hours. Just shut up. Can you shut up? Both of you. We spent 2 hours I reckon getting the engine mount bolts in because they were stuffing us around. Trying to get the bell housing and input shaft in was a pain. Because I just didn't line it up properly. But we got there in the end and we all learnt something. Pretty stoked to get the engine in. Thanks boys for giving us a hand.
Yeah, no worries.
Dolly's gone.
Yeah, Darley's already left. Of course he leaves when we're packing up.
Yeah.
But thanks boys for sticking around to help me pack up. I'm currently editing the video that you guys are watching right now. And I think I've had the most fun I have ever had editing a video. Just for the fact that all my mates were in it. We all got involved, had a good laugh. And yeah, I haven't had that after editing videos just of myself talking for so long. So to all the boys that came around, I do want to say massive thanks for helping me out. I loved having you all involved, and I can't wait to continue doing more builds with them all. But for you guys that are watching, let us know what you think of having all the guys involved, because it was a bit of fun and I really did enjoy it. But big shout out to my best mate Kai. He couldn't make it that day, so next time you'll be in the video, mate. We didn't forget about you. So Jack's jumped out of bed, come and help me put them on. It's currently 10 o'clock at night, just got home from work, and first thing I need to do was see it with these wheels on.
Alright, so here we have him putting on
I can't even see what's
one of the wheels.
Oh, jeez. Yeah.
She's on.
Got some nuts.
Got the nuts. There you go.
Cheers, boss. Oh, can't wait to see what they make. I love these wheels. I'm so happy with these.
I think he's happy with them.
Yeah. I haven't seen them on the car for a while, actually.
No.
We had the back pulled off for a while. It looks so cool being that low. When we last had these on, it honestly looked like a monster truck. So I'm pretty happy with that. I forget how big the 295s are. Like, it's been so long since I've had them on. So now we can have the measurements to start building the tray. We've got something to work off. And yeah, I'm really stoked with that.
Won't be spinning those in the 253, will you, big dog?
Yep, not a chance the 253 is going to be doing skids with them. I don't want to. The car's too nice. In the next video, we will be doing the Car Builders sound deadening acoustic liner, the whole lot, and I cannot wait to do it. So we'll catch you guys then. Thank you very much for sticking around to the end of this video. The tonner is coming along very, very fast, so won't be long and we'll be cruising around in summer.